What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not currently pushing crypto content out and it really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We're nearly at 10k subscribers, so please tap that sub button now. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So it does look as though for Polygon, we are bouncing in and around this $1 level right now. It does look as though Bitcoin is currently bouncing in and around that 31k level again, which does look as though it's meaning obviously pretty much all the altcoins are selling off as well. We're currently bouncing in and around this level where we do think there is very strong support below $1. As you can see, every single time that we've come below $1 recently, we have bounced to the upside. So if we do break down below this $1 level, we are anticipating a big bounce for Polygon. As we've been saying for pretty much all cryptos, we are experiencing a period of very greedy bearishness, and it does look as though that while the price action is decreasing currently, we are losing momentum on our RSI. So we're looking at a bullish divergence here where essentially we're going to get a bounce to the upside, which we do think is more likely than not considering how much downwards momentum we are seeing currently. As we can see pretty much on all of our timeframes, we have flipped bearish on our EMAs in the past week or so, and this is just largely due to Bitcoin in our opinion. There's been so much FUD surrounding Bitcoin recently that the market has been basically ranging between that 31k and that 42k level. For Bitcoin, we did actually go all the way up to around 41k, but then obviously the bearish news that we saw about China banning Bitcoin mining and all the miners getting kicked out of the Sichuan province, and then also the China central bank coming out and saying that they're banning people using crypto or basically anything to do with crypto. So lots of bearish news in the past week. I mean, you have to wonder if it's being completely you have to wonder if it's all being some kind of coordinated attack, because it's pretty unbelievable how much bearish news there has been in the past week. It's almost as if they're trying intentionally to push the price down. From what we can tell, China they're trying to pave the way for the digital yuan basically, and they don't want any competition for it, so they are suppressing all other kinds of cryptocurrency so that people will just use the digital yuan. But as we can see, obviously we are still actually above this resistance line that we did break out of. We were anticipating this $2.30 level as being our price target, but because of the wider market rolling over, we have been rolling over here for Polygon. We're currently bouncing here in and around this $1 level, which we do think, as we said, is very strong support. If we take a look at some higher time frames, we can see that we're getting very oversold here. As you can see, we're actually more oversold than we were here when we actually came down to around this 70-ish cent level when we got the huge bounce to the upside. So I mean, if all things remained equal and we did get this bounce to the upside similar to that, we would be looking at some very nice upside for Polygon. But obviously every single time that we've been oversold recently, we have had a decent bounce. We were actually pretty oversold here, as you can see, approaching very oversold territory. We actually got a lower low here but a higher low on our RSI, got a nice bullish divergence. We actually broke to the upside here quite nicely. And as you can see, it does look as though we may be forming somewhat of a bullish divergence here as well. As you can see, we're making higher lows on our RSI. Please, my paint tool is just not adhering. So as you can see, I do think we are getting very overextended to the downside right now. The bears are getting very greedy. And we do think sooner or later we are going to get a bounce for Bitcoin as well, because everyone's saying that it's going to go below 31k and break down to like at least 20k or something. And obviously this is overly bearish in our opinion, and with all the bearishness in the market, we do think the bears are getting quite greedy at this point, and it's more likely than not, in our opinion, that we're probably going to see a bounce pretty soon. But as you can see, we actually haven't flipped bearish on our EMAs on the daily time frame yet for Polygon, but from what we can tell, we're pretty damn oversold right now. The last time that we were this oversold for Polygon, if we just take a look here, the last time that we were this oversold was actually here, basically in November, when we had a big correction. I mean, it doesn't look like anything on this chart right now, does it? But this was the last time that we were oversold here, where we actually sold off from around 2 cents here to 1 cent. I mean, what an opportunity to get Polygon for 1 cent. That's absolutely insane. But on the daily time frame here, the last time that we were this oversold was essentially when we sold off around 50% from 2 cents to 1 cent. So we're looking pretty damn oversold right now on Polygon. And obviously, when this is the case, it's more likely than not that you're going to get probably a bounce to the upside. If we approach these levels here of being very oversold, like there's going to be a massive bounce for Polygon in our opinion. As you can see, I mean, we went to 70 cents here and we were basically at fair value on our daily time frame. So from what we can tell, things are looking completely fine. I mean, look at this weekly chart for Polygon. I mean, we could basically come all the way down to this 50-day moving average here at like 50 cents. And we still wouldn't really be in a bearish trend. We'd just be coming back down and retesting basically as the 50 slowly comes up, because we were just this parabolic. Look how parabolic this move is for Polygon. We've had this huge blow off top here. Obviously, we're consolidating here at previous swing high levels. This $1 psychological level, very strong support. So, I mean, when in doubt, zoom out, guys. It's pretty obvious that Polygon's probably going to continue to do bits in the future. I bet if we measure this, it's probably, look at that, 60% down from the all-time high. So a really good opportunity, in our opinion, to get back in. I think we're pretty overextended in terms of the sell-off. Pretty much on every single time frame here. Take a look at the 30-minute for a second. We can see that we're looking very overextended. If you look at this, we're seeing this basically, the RSI here. The divergence is pretty obvious, isn't it? You can see that we're making lower lows on our price action, but higher lows on our RSI. So the momentum to the downside, in our opinion, is decreasing. So a bounce to the upside more than likely, in our opinion. So in the short term, as we keep saying, we are predicting a bounce for pretty much all cryptos. We're looking very, very oversold on pretty much all bigger time frames for pretty much every single crypto, especially Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin's very oversold, it usually has a decent bounce. So we are anticipating in the short term Polygon to have a bounce as well with Bitcoin. And then obviously in the long term, as we said, we do think in the next year or so, Polygon's going to be well over. It's going to be $10 at least, in our opinion, probably more like $15 or $20 when we reach that blow off top for basically the entire market. So that's about, I mean, that's about a 15 or 20x from the current price. So happy days, happy days. That's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with Pure VPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.